we're going to write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form given 2 points. So let's define slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m equals the slope and b equals the y-intercept. Okay, so let's look at the line that passes through the 2 points -3, -2, and 3, 6. In order to find the equation and be able to write the equation, we have to find the slope of this line. So the equation for slope of a line is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we'll assign this as x1, x2, y1, y2. Okay. So now we're going to plug in those points. y2 is 6 minus y1 is -2 divided by x2 is 3 minus x1 is -3. Okay, and 6 minus -2, the 2 minus a negative is the same thing as plus. 3 minus -3 is also the same thing, it's a plus. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, so the slope, we can reduce this to 4 over 3. Of course, we just divide the top by 2, divide the bottom by 2, and we can reduce that to 4/3. So now we know that the slope equals 4/3. Okay, now we're going to use another equation which is derived from the slope formula to find the equation of the line, which is y minus y1 equals m, the slope, times x minus x1. Okay. Now we have 2 points that were given in the question, but we only need one to answer the question. We might as well use point number 1. So we're going to put x1 into here. We're going to put y1 in here. And we are going to put m 4/3 in here. And then we're going to solve it for y, and that'll be our equation of the line. So let's rewrite that. Y minus the y1 value, which is -2, equals m, which is 4/3, onto x minus x1, which is -3. Okay, before we start rearranging, we're going to simplify a little bit. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding, so that turns into y plus 2 equals 4/3. We're going to distribute the 4/3. Before we do that, we're going to simplify this. X minus a -3 is the same as x plus 3. So now we're going to multiply the 4/3 with x and with plus 3. So 4/3 times x is 4/3 x. 4/3 times 3, so we're going to add 4/3 times 3. Okay. So now we can just simplify it one little bit before we start rearranging this formula. We have y plus 2 equals 4/3 x. 4/3 times 3, the 3's cancel, so we're left with just 4 plus 4. But now we need to isolate y on the left-hand side, so we're going to subtract both sides by 2. And the final equation of the line is 2 minus 2 is 0, so that's gone. So the final answer is y equals 4/3 x, and 4 minus 2 is 2, plus 2. And this is the equation of the line that passes through the points -3, 2 and 3, 6.